Hi. Today we're going to tell you about how Google detects AdMob invalid traffic. Let's get started. Every year, millions of marketers lose money due to invalid clicks. To prevent this, AdMob has developed a comprehensive system that scans and identifies these types of traffic. Invalid traffic is a type of ad that costs an advertiser a lot of money and is often manipulated to make it look like it's a real traffic. This can hurt publishers' data and alter their monetization opportunities. Despite the Google team's efforts to prevent advertisers from paying for invalid traffic, it is still possible to generate invalid traffic on a regular basis. Once found, Google then suspends the AdMob account of the publisher for 30 days. During this period, the publisher can't serve ads. However, they have a chance to check the source of the invalid traffic and try to get their accounts back. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.